the fuck said I ain't the best ever? Everything I do is extra creative, ain't nothing basic.
Oh man, remember I said I need that favor? It's that time, bro. Like, this shit is killing me.
I told you I got you, man. You sure you want to do this?
Yes, I got to, bro. Like, I gotta do this shit.
Say less, man. You know if you need anything, alright? Need anything?
Get the fuck up!
Can't let you do this alone, man.
Who got that tool on they show? I'm so addicted to wealth. That's why they say I'm out of reach. I guess a nigga top show. I'm from the South where there's no fear. Niggas living with no care. And if you not around it, I suggest you never go there. Cap steady lurking, niggas moving like they serpents. But I be getting wavy like a nigga started surfing. My niggas got my back like a baby need his burping. Touch me, it's a rap like Muhammad with his turban. Bitch, we ready for war. We got machetes and swords. Now verbal metaphors and lead these niggas dead on the floor, motherfucker. And if you don't give a fuck like we don't give a fuck, then throw your motherfucking fingers in the air, bust shots. You out your motherfucking mind if I'ma lay down and die. Living out a life of crime but still pray up to God. They got me aggravated. Faggot rappers make me contemplate it. They hit the roof and murder one, that's premeditated. I had to get him cause your trigger finger hesitated. But all my hitters in the lineup, they be designated. Bitch, we getting faded, lemonade with some rocks. Drunk pissy, smoking spliffies and we listen to pop. We had to crawl to the top, you coward niggas get shot. Being humble in the jungle made me hard as a rock. These niggas talking out of turn, don't let them know what you think. But all these bitches give me brain, I guess to them I'm a shrink. I'm on some shit now, fucking foreign bitches pouring crystal. Golds in my mouth got me smiling like I'm rich now. I'm just a Jersey nigga pointing to your life. From the other side, niggas down the ride as you do or die. Kill you. I get your gun up. Your gun up, nigga. And if you don't give a fuck like we don't give a fuck, then throw your motherfucking fingers in the air, bust shots, nigga. Wa-da-da-dang, wa-da-da-da-dang. Listen to the sounds of me nine go. Wa-da-da-dang, wa-da-da-da-dang. Listen to the sounds of me nine go. Wa-da-da-dang, wa-da-da-da-dang. Listen to the sounds of me nine.